morning, guys. Okay, today I have something really big to share with you all, and I am super excited for that. But before that, I just wanted to let you know that we all got a second shot of our COVID-19 vaccination. And in the past, we couldn't celebrate some of the events in our family. So tomorrow we are going to celebrate Vijay's birthday at our place because we couldn't do it on time due to COVID restrictions. So anyways, we have planned a surprise party at our place, so everybody is coming over tomorrow, and I have to make a lot of nice fun food for everybody. And I am boiling aloo for chana chaat. Everything is ready. All I have to do put aloo and dahi, and this is the masala that I prepared for this chaat. And rotis are ready. Lassi is ready. My matar paneer is ready. Temperature today is a bit hot. I don't know. We kind of feeling hot in house. Okay, so this is the outfit that I'm wearing. It has Sindhi embroidery on this one. Actually, Samita gifted this to me, and I love it. With these bangles. And we haven't got our fridge fixed yet. And the situation of my eyebrows is just too bad, guys. I just need to get it fixed, but I couldn't get time. And yeah, they are still not here, and the time right now is 3:30. God, these people. Okay guys, so my chaat is ready almost. Dahi I have made separately, so we'll mix it. And then so I made fruit chaat and chana chaat, and they're here. I think they're here. How are you guys?
Sorry guys to keep you waiting. Arjun kept
That's all right.
Arjun kept on saying party or party. It is amazing as usual.
Thank you very much. Look at this cute.
I like your outfit and your earrings.
Thank you.
आओ वैसे होते लंच रूम में आओ बनाइए बैठे मोटा ना खाए उधर आई कर दो वो चमचे मिलेगा ना आज
पोतो शासा खा दो. अच्छा.
वो वापस बंद करे वैसे
अच्छा खाई छड्या. अच्छा खाई छड्या. छाव.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday boy. Birthday man.
Hi. Okay, today's day is super special. You guys are seeing me dressed up because I have a great news to share with you all that Sanjay has got promotion as a project manager. Before he was project engineer, but now he has become a project manager. So we are super excited to celebrate this news with everybody. So I've made a lot of preparations for my family, and they are just on the way to celebrate this success. So yeah, I've made food that I'm going to show you shortly, but before that I'm going to show you the preparations that I've done last night. Okay, so I am making fish kebab. They're almost ready. I'm going to make kheer. The milk is frozen, and this is the marination for my chicken, and these are rice for my kheer. So I have to clean up all this stuff. I washed dishes, big dishes, and then I put small dishes into the dishwasher. And right now I'm making imli ki chutney for my samosa chaat. Let's go into the kitchen and let me show you what preparations I have done. I've made chaat. This is samosa chaat, and this is kheer, and these are samosas in here. So yeah, things are ready, and I'm just actually these are chanas as well for my chana chaat. I mean for my samosa chaat. And guys, the weather today is not that great. It is cloudy, and temperature is good. It is I think 26 or 25 or something. So yeah, we decided to stay home and party instead of going out, because before we planned to go to the park for the celebration, but then because of the weather we decided to stay home. So yeah, they should be here within 5 minutes, and I will see you guys as soon as they come here. Okay guys, so Samita and Sundar and my mummy Abu got this for me, and these lights, and Asha Vijay too. Look at this shy girl. Sundar, ठीक है तो? Good. Thank you so much guys. See bhai? Mint plant. Okay guys, so we just had our samosa chaat, and now we are sitting in the room. We ladies are in here, and we are having fun with the photo session.
Excuse me. Kumar, would you like to shift a little bit backwards?
And Asha is the best photographer ever. Okay guys, so that was super duper fun day today with everyone, and I hope you like this vlog, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care, and I'll see you again.